guys, today we're doing a dice stack tutorial. So first do one dice. And these dices are called casino dices if you're new. And do this. You have to keep it like this, like almost touching the box. And also get a glossy surface. Because if you like do it on the floor, it will just glass. Find something that's glossy, like this. Like this box is glossy. And first, you do this and you do that. Now, in the cup. Let me try again. So it went all the way back to the cup. Now it's stuck there. Now do two dices. So I can do this. And probably you need the right cup and dices. Because if you don't have the right cup and dices, it will just not even stack. I'm using a Lucky Lab stuff from Amazon. I don't want it's kind of like something. So if you want to do 5, it probably takes like a few days to do it. Because it took me like a few days to like learn how to do it. Sorry guys. And also, if you have a plastic cup, but don't use this plastic cup. Because I destroyed a lot of these cups. I actually destroyed a lot of these cups, of this cup of plastic. Because it's so easy to break. Like, look how squishy it is. Like, look, I can't even stack. So if you want to always practice, just always do it every day until you like stack. Because you need a straight cup to like stack dice. Because the cup I just used from plastic, it's not even straight, it's just wide. Now do the cup. Now see that it's not even together. Not together, right? Now, the other platform, do this while until it's stacked. Now, you're probably confused. Why is it stacked? Because physical and gravity is not working, that is not falling out. See? A lot of people like do it wrong. There's like 2 ways, like that or like this. Always practice with physical and gravity. Because if you don't have physics or gravity, it's just going to fall apart like that. Like if you do it like this, like if you put one dice in, you do this. What do you do? Drop it out. Like look. See, it just falls out. Also 2 dice can fall out like that. Like it's just failing. So that's how I practice. And I keep doing like 3 more steps to be able to stack for better. That keep on using the dices. And also use casino dices because it's way easier. also use the right cup, because don't use that much wide plastic cup, whatever. Because if it's not even that, if it's wide, it's not gonna work for you. Like, if you have like a wide cup, never use that. It's just not good. And if it's not that plastic, never use that, because you're just gonna break plastic. Like I just destroyed like 5 of these cups. I just destroyed it. It's destroyed. And it's in the trash. So guys, never put that much dices in here, because like if you put too much in the max, it would just fall apart. For like example, why does these look big? These are casino dices, real casino stuff. Never. If you want this cup, get it from Amazon. It's just called Luck Lab cup. And if you want more dices, you could do that, but if you say so. And also teach your family and friends, because they're probably interested about this. And here's the last step. Never use wide cups, because I used like a wide cup and it's not good. It just falls everywhere, and sometimes you lose your dices. Sometimes I lose dices. Like, I keep on losing dices because like the cup is not that good. If you want me to do a tutorial how to knock this down, knock a dice down with one and it's still connected, if you want to learn, I will do another tutorial if you give us 100k likes on this video. So guys, if you want another tutorial, I'll give you a tutorial how to do this and make it not fall off apart. I'm going too rough when I'm opening it up, so it's gonna fall apart. So that's the last step, and peace. Peace out.
What are you doing? No.
Hi guys, so today we're doing a dice stack tutorial. Those tutorials are just hard and stuff, and I tried those but it didn't work. So here's the dice stack. So if you're wondering what kind of cup I'm using a Luck Lab cup that we bought from Amazon. It costed like $25. And And if you want this cup, if you want, you could do it. So the first example, move the cup like this. Now, pick up the dice. And back and forth, back and forth. Sorry guys, that's my mom. Back and forth. Back, forth. Side, 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 side. Now, here's one dice. Now try two dice. So, I tried to teach my friend, but he couldn't do it. So, I'm doing more tutorials after for little. Now you want to do that. If you want to do two dice, you have to do this and this. Make sure it's back in the cup. And get up the other dice. And if you hear any cracks, that means do it again. Now, if you want to use this cup, you can buy it from Amazon. Because it's pretty good. And if you want these dices, these are casino dices if you didn't know. And I'm doing 5 dices. So I actually did something before that I stacked the dice. I stacked the dices and I knocked the bottom one down and it stayed apart 2 times. It's really hard to do that. If you want me to do that tutorial, I'll do that for like 2 days or like so to get better. So if you want to stack all 5 dices, you have to shake the cup when you're like this, and not that rough because it would just fall apart. See, it didn't fall apart because I wasn't rough. Let me try that trick. Dang it. So, if you want to dice stack, so this is the most easiest to do for beginners. And you can also use a Pringles cup if you have one. And keep it in the air so you can practice to make it not fall off. So, if you want to use more cups, if you want, like Pringles cup or like a plastic cup, and never use this cup. This cup is horrible. It's just like too wide and it's too easy to break because it's just so easy to break. So never use this plastic because it would just break. So if you want to do 3 dices for a normal stack, dude, you have to be careful. And make sure it's still in the cup. Whoops. Can you get that for me, please? Thanks. Sorry about that. So, if you want like a lot of dices, you need a bit color cup, because if you fit too much dices, like 6 dices, I can only fit 5 dices of this, and if I do 6, it will just all fall apart. I tried it before, trust me. Only a Pringles can could hold 4, and I use this one sometimes, but it came with small dices, so that's why I used to do that. Like I could only do That's how hard it is. But sometimes don't use the Pringles cup because you're probably at night and it will just. No, sorry guys.